So this morning I'm in need to harvest some Tulsi Holy Basil. That way I can dry it and make some tea out of it. And sorry about the camera, guys. Let's see if I can get it straight. Yeah. So I just wanted to go over on the benefits of Tulsi basil. I know it helps with stress and anxiety. It also helps with immune support, metabolic and heart health, reduces inflammation, and it also helps with cognitive function. You can make it as a tea or use it topical for it. It helps with acne and minor wounds. So let's go ahead and harvest some. But look at that spider. You see that like zigzag that it made right there on the web? That's pretty interesting. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and harvest some of this. Let me go ahead and get my nippers here. And it is morning right here in Central Florida, but it is so hot already and humid, and it's pretty disgusting right now. So, oh Lord, let me go ahead and move you a little bit more. Yeah, I'm going to dehydrate. It takes about a week. I set it on my little rack. It hangs from, I hang it from a ceiling fan. It's like made out of mesh, and it has different tiers. Got it at Amazon. It works really well. But yeah, I don't want to bother that little spider. So, or I should say big spider, because it's trying to, it helps get all the bugs that don't belong here in the garden. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is just wash it and let it dry, take the leaves out. And as you can tell, I let it go to flower, but it's okay. It's still fine. You can harvest this like this, and it's quite a bit. As you can tell, it already filled up my bucket. But we're gonna go over here this way and cut some of these beautiful sunflowers to go in my vase inside. Oops, get that. Oh, the bees are not happy. Oh, let me just get a few. They don't like that I'm cutting the flowers. They're gonna get me. So maybe I'll get a few more over here. I have a mess in this garden. I really need to clean it up before August. So, because that's when I'm planning to transplant some more tomato plants and cucumbers and whatnot. But anyway, aren't these beautiful? Ooh, the bees are following me. But I just wanted to show you that. Thank you for watching.